lot of things have gone down these last few days. Bills have been signed, policies enacted, and arrests have been happening here and there. On June 14, 2023, the Central Bank of Nigeria issued a press release announcing a unified exchange rate policy. We went through the press release to explain what this policy really means and how it affects you. So what's the gist? The CBN is abolishing segmentation. Before now, it operated in multiple market segments. This included interbank markets, where commercial banks trade forex, the bureau de change, which comprises of institutions recognized by CBN to trade currency, and the investors and exporter window that allows more cash into the forex market to settle more significant transactions quickly. Now the CBN is collapsing all these markets into the I&E window under a model called willing buyer, willing seller. This means the CBN no longer sets official rates. Everyone trades freely on an open market. One significant impact of this policy is that arbitrage or round tripping, which is taking advantage of price difference in currency for quick cash, will become unattractive. That's sad news for black market traders. So who are those affected? Well, not everyone is excited by this news. The number one person being Africa's and Nigerians' richest man, Aliko Dangote. According to Nairametrics, the unification of the exchange rate and the subsequent naira decline saw his wealth drop by $3.12 billion in one day. His current net worth now stands at $17.8 billion. As you can see, the rich also cry. This announcement has also moved up Nigerians' debt from 73 trillion naira to 82 trillion naira. And you know what happens when debt goes up? The government passes the cost down to you in various ways, including, taxes. According to Taiwo Oyedele, the fiscal policy partner and African tax leader at PwC, the unification would lead to a possible impact on the pump price of petrol, which could inch closer to the current pump price of diesel. And if you think petrol is expensive now, wait till you hear the price of diesel. It's not all bad though. Experts say federal government revenue through government-owned enterprises will rise and foreign investment in Nigerian markets will increase. Crucially, this policy signals stability, which is vital for any economy. It's expected that the average Nigerian will bear hardship in the short term, but in the long term, the Nigerian economy should be robust, provided that the federal government follows through with implementing secondary policies that will ease down the burden passed on to ordinary Nigerians, such as an increase in minimum wage and unbanning the list of items prohibited for importation with dollars. One more thing, the CBN says it's ending its Naira for dollar for the Christmas promo by June 30, where you get paid 5 Naira for every dollar that banks receives from overseas. So if you still have friends who are sending you dollars, now it's a good time to ring them up. Follow us now for more videos like this one.